Then spin it, mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches, roll my slime.
What's up? It's your boy, AK the GOAT. No, wait. Turn some sound off of this. Yeah, it's kind of too loud for me. But yeah, I'm back. Well, I ain't back. This is my first ever video on this channel. Please can you help me out? I'm only at 39 subscribers. Help me out. Trying to reach that 100 mark. So yeah, before we talk about subscribers, let's get into this video. See my team. I am a 92, 30,000 coins left. Let's see this team. Let me show you my offense first, which I think is pretty good. Let's see. If you load up. Have the boy Mariota as quarterback. Christian Okoye at fullback. Adrian the Beast Mode Peterson. This is the real Beast Mode. Marshawn Lynch? No, Beast Mode. This is the real Beast Mode right here. 6'1", 89 speed, 90 acceleration, 87 spin move, and 94 trucking. I mean, this man, you can't get better than that. Michael Irvin, gotta have my Cowboys. Michael Irvin, I got Dez Bryant, powered up. Also have Kellen Winslow. I wanted Evan Ingram, but Evan Ingram, I feel like he cost too much. The 92 version, the rookie standout version, not the 96 version. But this Kellen Winslow is pretty good. 85 speed as a tight end. I mean, 7'7" run block ain't that good, but Gronk got good. Gronk is my blocking tight end. He's my speed run tight end, so I like that. And this is my offensive line: Bruce Matthews, Richie Incognito. Yeah. Nobody care about offensive line. Let's talk about defense now. Got your boy Ha Ha. Got your boy Ha Ha right there. Terrell Sizzle T Sizzle right there. Jordan Hicks. I actually had Will Lanier. Don't laugh at me. I actually had Will Lanier, but I had 88 overalls right here. So I saw Will Lanier and I got Jordan Hicks right here. I mean, you looking like, oh, he had 92 overall. Yeah, he is. But the point is about him being 92 overall, he has 90 zone coverage. 90 zone coverage. Like, you can't get any better than 90 zone coverage as a middle linebacker. I mean, you get 90 zone coverage as somebody that's a 98 overall. 98 Will Lanier. I had a 95 he had 88. I mean, that's not pretty good. And I got behind him Derek Johnson. Ted Hendricks, which is the beast. I actually got him at the Super Bowl, the Legend Super Bowl. If you do that, yeah, he's not. Ronnie Lott, which I opened a pack out of the game day thing, which I think you should open up. I mean, it's not, I don't think it's worth 1,000 points, but I mean, if you got a bad team, I'll say go for it. Or you just starting off. And let's do defensive line. Have their boy Jason Taylor, which is a beast, who also have, let's see, 86 speed, which is, I mean, like, come on, that's awesome. And I mean, Richard Dent is on the other side. I didn't get an LE left end. I just got a right end. I just got 2 right ends because they were cheaper. And I got Mean Joe Green at D tackle, which is a monster, and Stephen Pio. I think that's how you're saying that. Whatever his name is, which I got out of a pack, so I just kept him. And corners, I have half the boy Champ Bailey, which I power all the way up, which is a beast with 94 speed, I think, right? Yeah, 94 speed, 96 man, 84 press. I mean, the press not that good, but I like the man and I like the zone coverage. And they also have Mel Blount with Mel Blount. I think he have 90 speed. I mean, he's a budget corner. I had Eric Allen, but, I had to upgrade my team a little bit. I can't have all these people with, So 90 speed, 94 man, 90 zone, 92 press. He's an average corner. 6'3", 90 speed. I mean, that's average. And I have Josh Norman. I mean, I love Josh Norman. He's a great player. I wish he would have came to the Cowboys. 89 speed. I wish he could have been a little bit faster, but come on, it's Josh Norman. 89, 93 zone. When I saw the 93 zone, 93 press, I was like, oh, he got to be on my team. I mean, 85 catching, he got better catching than Champ Bailey. Like, come on. Better Preston, he got 10 overalls press better than Champ Bailey. Like, come on. Had to put him in the lineup. Had to put him in there. So, yeah, I'm special team. Yeah, and ain't nothing extra. I do have a bronze putter. Like, who punts the ball in Madden? If you put the ball in Madden, you're the real MVP. But I have, yes, Champ, Colt Cruz, and yep. See, Skin Ball is my. So let's go on and finish this. Let's go on and hop into a game. Let's see how it go.
And now we get a peek
Okay, we in the game.
Look
Look at my top three. 95, 95, 94. Pretty good. See his. Wow. Wow. That's all I have to say. Pretty much, it looked like I'm going to lose this game. So let's go on to see first. Of course, he had my Cowboys. I should win. I'm in the Cowboy Stadium. This is a W for me. This man hurry to choose a. How hard is it to choose a kick play, bro? God dang. All you gotta do is kick off middle. God dang it. Kick the ball off and so Champ Bailey can return it. Hey. Hey. Okay, his mic not on, so he can't hear me anyway. So let's see. Champ, this is all you. Return this. I might show you what Champ can do. I might show you what Champ can do. Okay. Okay, I thought Champ would did something better than that. But we're gonna start off better. We're gonna hit him with a. Let's see if he's ready for this. I'm not doing the screen. No, that's retarded. I'm gonna tell you this, y'all Madden players. I know all y'all love, small teams. Don't start off with a screenplay. Always start off with a run play. Always start off, because he gonna blitz first, right? Let him get ready. Let him get ready to blitz. You might see what I'm gonna do. Yeah, he's gonna blitz. I'm gonna come in. I could have broke if I just hurried and flicked the stick up. So we're gonna do that. He gonna think I'm running in, right? So I'm gonna block Adrian Peterson, which I feel like he gonna blitz anyway, right? Come back. See? Look what I tell you. He blitzing. Oh, Kellen. Oh, it didn't work. Mariota went to get thrown one. I think I should just kept Vic. But whatever. Let's see. This man defense is beast, man. I know y'all saw that man top 3. Come on. I'm really scared about playing this offense with that 99 overall of Damian Thompson. Let's see.
An early test, 2 plays in. This is 3rd and 2.
I'm going. He probably think I'm running up the middle. So he think I'm running. So I'm gonna switch it up. I'm switching with this. Listen. Oh, that's on him. Oh, thank you very much, Geno Atkins. I like that very much. Let's hit him with the levels. Let's see if he's ready. You know what? I ain't gonna do levels. I'm gonna switch it up to the PS. Let's see if he's ready for this. Julio, this is all you. Julio got the speed to be running them out. So let's see if he blinks. Alright, I think that was not smart. Let him, yeah, that was smart. I got Mariota. Oh, Mary had a little. Alright, let's go. Let's see. Come on, Skimbo, you supposed to be the best coach, man. You supposed to be the best Madden player ever. Help the team out. Help a brother out. Please help a brother out. Oh, he pressed it? Oh, you want to press? Let him press again. Come on, press. Let's block. Yeah, let's block Adrian Peterson. He definitely think, yeah, I'm running this up. Oh, dang. Oh, Michael, you suck. Michael, you suck. Is Willie Brown on him? I mean, Willie Brown was a good corner. You know what? Let's hit him with the corner start. Let's not go deep. Let's go short and simple. Let's take our time with this. So we're going. Let's see who we're going. Let's hit a slant on Julio. See what he can do with that. We're also hit a slant on Colt. Wow.
The flag comes out.
Bro.
And a 5-yard penalty.
Come on. Ain't stupid offensive line. I see you get all Browns offensive line. Okay, so he just messed up my whole play, so I forgot what play I was doing again. Let's see. What that? Oh, yeah.
Now Mariota. Now he's forced
come back.
Left. Now he'll let it
Whoa!
go deep right
What are you doing? Mariota! Oh my God! Oh, get him! Get him! Get him! Oh my God! Now we gotta play defense with Damian Thompson. Please don't have a good corner. If he got Michael Vick in his corner, I'm literally probably gonna quit already. If he do, oh, he got one more. That's a 97 one more. Let me stop tripping. I feel like he's running, so we're gonna blitz. Let's blitz the LT. I mean, not LT, Josh Norman. Oh, crap. Get him! I had him! I saw that. He had Dez Bryant, too. Okay. Yeah, you don't got to be a show-off.
Nice gain of 25 yards.
Oh, he want to show off his team. I got something for him. You want to show off your Dez Bryant? I might show you. Yeah, show off your Dez Bryant again. Show me your Dez Bryant again. Come on. That's 91. I don't know which Warren Moon that is, but I'm not going to say it. Get that. Oh, let's go. Ronnie lied. Wow. Oh, Ronnie. Okay, never mind. I was gonna try to do a loop-de-loop, but loop ain't gonna work. So let's do a halfback stretch.
Definitely with some juice on that pass. And while tight ends don't always have the same reputation for hands as wide receivers,
Okoye, you supposed to be the best fullback right now in the game. You know what? Yeah, let's switch it up. Switch it up on him. Switch it up on him. Oh, you supposed to run him over, man. Supposed to run that man over, man.
Partner, I think from our experience together, we have learned that
I'm doing it again, y'all. I bet y'all like, what? Yep, I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again. Oh my.
And he'll be taken down here at about the 23-yard line. Only a yard of the pickup there, and it'll bring up a third down.
I can tell this dude gonna have a really good defensive line. Cause I just saw it. I just saw the burnt. Oh, that might be. I don't know. Okay. My pony Wi-Fi suck. Up. That's not fair. Okay. Okay. Well. Let's go on and get into the next game. We're back. Let's see this man team. 92, 90, 88. I think we already won. Go to see my top three. Boom, boom. Champ, Ted Hendricks, and Michael Irvin. Let's see this game. Man, what's up with everybody with the Cowboys Stadium? Wait, am I home? Oh, I'm home. My bad. Yeah. And, of course, I get the return. Oh, he got the old school jersey. I never had that jersey back in, like, November. Let's see him kick that ball. Kick that ball. This all you, Colt. You got the speed. Oh! How? You know, no complaining. We're about to run this thing with AP one more time. Not one more time. All the time. The real beast mode. That's why I call AP. I call him the real beast mode.
Yeah, the defense definitely showing blitz here.
Oh, you saw blitz? Blitz in. Where the blitz at? Oh, I could have broke. What am I doing? What am I doing? Let's see if you're ready for this tight end attack. Guys, I know y'all looking. Y'all saw 2 gameplays of me. Y'all can already tell what I do. If y'all play me, y'all probably gonna beat me. So let's see. Oh, what do I do? Bruh. Come on, Anthony Munoz. Munoz. Alright, he's fine. Let's see if you're ready for this.
On third down, Mariota. Dancing to his left. He can run.
First down for me. First down for me. Mariota, keep up to that ball, but I don't want no fumbling going on.
But it is a first down.
Now that definitely hurts because the mindset is getting a 3-and-out there, and they don't get it done. They give up the scramble and a pickup.
You probably think I'm gonna run again, so you know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna, you know what? Let's just leave this right here.
Mariota on first down.
So Julio with the. Oh, dang.
And to the 42-yard line here and brought down.
Oh man, let's do let's do this. I like this, bro.
It's second down.
Switch up with let's do Kellen with an out route. Kellen got speed, so he can break if he wants to. We're gonna do Julio with I think that'll work out. Oh, that messed up. You messed up everything. Oh, Michael, dang. Don't act like you're going to catch it. Catch it for real. All right, let's see. Skimbo, tell Michael Irvin what he's doing. He's doing the wrong thing, man. Wrong thing. No, let's streak Julio. No, not streak Julio. Slant Julio. I don't think he's, oh, he's pressed. Is he pressed? Oh, dang. Ain't nobody open.
Forced out to his left.
Oh, Julio. Okay, I need to stop acting
secondary.
stupid. This man's team is not very good. So you know what? We're just gonna get this. Wait, do you have an offensive line? Okay, never mind. Let's see.
Contest on third down to bring up fourth.
Goddamn, choose a play. You tell him going for it. God damn. Of course the punt team. Nobody punts the ball. That's why I got a Gronk splinter. Gronk, I ain't slanting you. I trust you. Wait, should I slant Gronk? Wait, let's see. It's out Gronk. Unless slant. Yeah, I like that idea.
They're indeed going. It's Mariota.
What? Oh, Gronk! Gronk, you! Oh my! I thought he caught that. Oh my God, Gronk, you suck.
On the short side of the field.
Straight bull. I forgot his top three. Do he have a running back in his top three? Who he got his running back? Okay, never mind. That's the 85 Terrell Davis. Wow, he's killing me. Oh wow, already. Okay, I can see he running. He's a running dude, so you know what I'm gonna do with him? He probably gonna do it again, so you know what?
The athleticism of offensive lines continues to evolve, and we're seeing it here. Not only they're controlling things right at the line of scrimmage, but they're able to get
Told you. Read that, boy. Read that, boy. Get back. Get your butt back, baby.
Getting all the way downfield with their blocking, which helps keep the running back clean.
I don't know if he's gonna run again, but I don't think.
And the offense there,
I'm not gonna blitz.
Everybody really on
I'm not
offense.
gonna
They were
blitz.
just
I'm just
manhandled at the point of attack.
Yeah, you could pretty much call them all out, couldn't you?
We're gonna give cushion.
Right?
Yeah,
that
that's
was
cool.
a very tough sequence for the offensive line. But how about that defensive front, creating a new line of scrimmage and creating a lost yardage possibility?
Oh,
Hello, he's gonna be
wow.
backward.
That was smart. This man run on this. That was really smart of him.
Gain there, and that'll set up 3rd and 13.
Well, so many times we look at a short run and we
Okay,
praise
90 zone Hicks, man. This is all you. Okay, he probably. Oh, dang, he's wide open. He's wide open. I saw him. Dang.
They don't always have to absorb the body blows. Sometimes they dish them out themselves.
It's not even in the good killing rhythm. That's the 89 version. I don't know, or the 86. I don't know. Anything under 89, I'm pretty sure, because the highest overall player he had was a 92. Overall to me, man. If you good, you good. I'm telling you that now. Oh, crap. Wow. Wow. All right, come on. He did a freaking 4 verticals play on his goal line, still got a touchdown on me. That is ridiculous, and that is sad.
This guy can make plays, and that's exactly what he just did.
All right, we're going to stop down this man. We can already see we need to stop down him, so let's get back in this game. Champ Israeli, go on, kick it off. Champ Israeli. Champ Israeli. Champ Israeli. All right, let's see. Champ Bailey, saw you. Let's go.
This one fielded at the 5.
Champ, use the speed. Show me your speed. Oh, you don't got speed no more. Yeah, that's why you retired.
And now here comes Kansas City. And last time out, went for it on 4th down, turned it over.
I did. Yeah, we did. Oh, we also did.
Recover here, Charles.
Okay.
It's amazing what one decision can
we're
do.
going to recover. What do you mean?
Right? The decision to go for it on 4th down.
Let's do it.
Every bit of it, but it showed
Oh my
confidence.
God, Kellen Winslow don't have a good run block at all. I don't know why I didn't did that.
Didn't happen. Also showed confidence in the defense. They didn't pick up their end of the bargain, so now they've got to come back out and start over and rebuild that confidence.
Let's see if he's ready.
Here's Mariota.
Oh, he's blitzing everybody. He's blitzing everybody. Oh,
Wide open, complete.
he blitzed everybody. That was not smart of him. I hope he blicks again. Let's see if he blicks again. I'm pretty sure he's not blicks again. But Gronk, best running. Gronk. Gronk. Oh, I wish I would have juked him out. God, Julio is free safety.
11 more on that one and another 1st down.
All right, let's see one more time.
Doesn't he? Because when I watch him, I think
I'm going
of his
deep,
vision.
man.
Straight ahead,
I'm going deep all day.
has that sense of where holes are going to be before they actually
All right, let's
open,
do
and
Gronk.
it helps
Gronk,
set
come
them
on.
apart from many of the other
Gronk,
guys
run him
in the
over.
league.
Gronk, run him over.
Got Gronk complete.
Dang, what are you doing?
Brought down, it looks like right at the 40.
Well, then run him over, Gronk.
And they're 6 yards away from picking up the first here on 2nd down.
I
Here comes the
think
D
he.
swarming to the line.
Yeah, he think I'm gonna run, so I'm going deep all day.
Mariota now on 2nd down.
No,
Trying here for Bryant.
Mary,
It's
oh, this is an
intercepted.
awful quarterback, bro. I swear to God. If he
Patrick
return,
Chung.
are you kidding me? Julio get him. Julio.
And look out, I think he's gonna go. And he will take this one home. It's a touchdown. Well, we know this defense has athleticism. Spots like that. prove
So
us
yeah,
right.
That you spotlighted the athleticism because you and I both know The best
That's
athletes
fine.
on the field,
That's fine.
they play
That's
on
all me.
defense.
I don't know. I was
That's
a
fine
kicker.
with me.
You got to remember that now.
Come on.
Fine. So they'll get another shot on offense following that pick six.
That
And
is
now the kick
okay
is
with me.
away.
That's okay. That's
That's
good.
fielded in the end zone.
Bump this. Bump this. I'm returning it. I'm returning
And the nice return sets him up pretty
I wanna
good
return
here
it.
at the 30-yard
Sam, get your
line.
nuts out the man's
The
face.
Chiefs offense now making
God
their way
dang.
back onto the field.
Every
Already
time I
down
do
2
that play
touchdowns in
don't
the
work.
first
It
half.
still
This
works.
becomes a pretty
This man did
important
not have a good
drive,
defense.
doesn't
This
it?
man had Blake Bortles as his
Does, and
quarterback.
a lot of the teams
Blake
script plays,
Bortles.
We know that, right? They
Yes,
have a
Blake
script to
Bortles.
Start the ball game, and typically those scripts go between 12 and 24, 25 plays. Down 2 touchdowns early.
I don't understand what type of.
Deep into their script. I think that they'll stay with it.
He
I
got
think
his
they'll
quarterback
abandon it
spot,
just yet
Mariota.
and try
Dang.
and generate some offense on this drive.
With a
Anything,
79.
at least 3 points, get that 0 off the board. He'll get 3 yards
Oh,
on
my
the scramble
God.
there. It's second down.
Yeah, he only gets a few yards on 1st and 10, but he's better off doing that than throwing an incompletion or even worse, an interception.
Mariota.
Okay, god dang. You switched like 10 seconds doing all that bullcrap.
Territory.
Dang.
A good pickup there at 22.
Some think the teams really won't throw a slam.
Guys, I
unless
really
you have
think
a
we ain't
receiver
coming
that
back
has a
from
lot of
this,
stature to him.
let's see.
Sometimes the little guys,
But
they
I
get
don't raise no
lost in
quitter.
there. People
I don't
can't
raise.
really locate them, and they run that quick cut on the slant, and oftentimes
Hey,
they
run
can
him
turn
over.
into big
Okay, look, he's
plays.
trying to talk.
Him with a 1
Is he
yard
trying
gain
to
there
talk?
to make it 2nd and 9.
Let's see him say
A
something.
1-yard gain can look like a disaster, but all depends on how the game is going. Is it a series of 1-yard
No.
gains?
I guess he just turned his mic on.
That's the
Oh,
case.
And he's gonna be
wow.
and taken down.
Wow.
Back right around the
That is literally an 80 overall player that
Olivier
just.
Vernon.
And Anthony Moore, you're the 92.
Second sack now
How in the
of
world can.
afternoon.
Okay. Okay, that's all I can say.
Play fake. Mariota.
Oh, I'm gone. I'm gone. Irvin, touchdown. Let's get it. We're back in this thing, baby. Let's go.
A big play there. 51 yards. And the
Let's
Chiefs
go.
are
Oh,
able to
and I just missed the freaking kick. I'm not back. Wow. Wow. I think I do need a better kicker.
They needed something to try to stem that tide, and that certainly qualifies. A big play to get him in the end zone.
It
Why?
qualifies indeed
Why can't I
because,
kick the
let's
ball?
face it,
Like
they'll
every
get
time I get a
something
touchdown,
done
I
on this
cannot make a
drive,
field goal.
Turn it back over. This game could be 88 and out the gate early.
What? 88 and out the gate? What's that?
Well, listen, I used to hear my old man talk about it. Usually meant that thing's done.
Well, now that they got the touchdown, it's not 88 and out the gate. We still got a good game going ahead of us.
I think I'm blitzing. Yeah, I'm blitzing. I don't think you're ready for this. If this man do a... Oh, my...
They'll start
Oh,
things on
bruh.
first with Torrey Cohen. He
Oh,
finds an opening
woo.
past the 40, and he goes out of bounds across the 40-yard
The guy's smacking his teeth. I think he
Early
mad. I
pick
think he
up of
mad.
14 yards, and it moves the sticks.
They're going to do that same play again. I'm ready for it, too. I'm
2
ready for
minutes
it.
to go here in the first half. We're back to Arlington right after this timeout.
Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Get it out.
And now off to the races down the right side.
Wow.
Gets into the end zone for the touchdown.
You know what, man?
A big play
You had a little overall team to me, but I'm going to let you win this, man.
And his guys get the quick strike touchdown.
You got this. You got this game all day. You got
Correct
this.
me if I'm wrong, that was just a simple fly route, wasn't it?
No, there's nothing to correct at all. You got it down pat. And I just remember as a player, when I'd be in
I know.
practice sessions and I'd hear 9 from the receivers, that meant fly route, go, look out. That was the 9, and he just kept going all the way into the end zone for the touchdown.
Fielded
There
about
goes the
a
champ.
yard deep.
Champ about to return it. Oh, champ up.
And it's a pretty good return here as he'll get it up to the 29-yard line. And now here comes Kansas City.
That is Julio on the slot. That is.
Mariota now to
Nope.
throw on first down.
I threw another interception. What is wrong with me? Oh my God. Mariota get him. Mariota get him. Oh, thank God. Oh my God. Yeah, I need to work on. I'm not good at. I need to work on that offense.
Almost as if the first one that he threw, he couldn't shake, couldn't get it out of his head. He ends up throwing a second one as a result.
Compounds the mistake a little bit.
Yeah, you got to be able to forget, compartmentalize, whatever you want to call it, and move on. He hasn't been able to do so here in the second.
This will be caught just inside the 10.
I see that.
And now they're inside the 10 as he's brought down at
But I
the
still
9.
can't stop it.
5 yards on the catch there, brings up second down.
Yeah. Yeah.
On second down, here's Bortles. He's going to dump
Wow.
that off to his running back Cohen. And the stop will come inside the 5 at the 4. It's a gain of 5. And that'll make it 3rd and 1. They'll run it now out of the gun.
Oh. All right. I like that. I like that.
Time, and they're going to be looking up at a 4th and 1.
On every snap, a defense is trying to establish who they are.
Yeah.
But on 3rd and short, that's really when you put it out there and tell people who you are. And that's exactly what they did. For the offense, they're looking at their offensive line and saying, guys, where are you? We need you on those plays.
So
all right, I'm going to try one more time, man. If I don't get this, man.
But they couldn't punch it in.
Game over, man. Game over.
That was the old bend but don't break approach. But it kept the offense out of the end zone.
Champ, though, right here. Oh, Champ. Champ, you too fast again.
The 20, but not by much, as he's marked down at the 21-yard line.
All right, you ain't going to see this coming, man. I'm going to do some different plays on it.
They get set to take over. And what do you think goes on here in this situation? If you got the football, you're trailing, you're back in your own territory with just a little time. Do you try something?
You're thinking about jump-starting your team.
Oh.
You just mentioned it. They're down.
All right, timeout. Timeout.
But you got to figure, if something goes wrong, you may have put yourself in a spot where you may not be able to come back in the second half. Managing risk, this is a big decision here.
Now a second down throw for Mariota. Buying time to his left.
Just make sure I get this first down at least. Let me get the first down. Oh, dang.
10 and a Kansas City first down.
The best quarterbacks that ever played the game all wanted to blend in with their teammates and be one of the guys. But sometimes you got to take modesty and put it aside. You're the franchise quarterback, the face of the team, and the guy that leads them to victory. You have to get down and protect yourself and not take hits like that.
Julio. Julio. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I'm done. I am done. I'm done. Oh, he didn't get it in. Let's go. Okay. I still got 15 seconds left.
Second down now after the incompletion.
I have no idea what play I should do. I'm just going to do something quick and easy. Let's see. Yeah, let's switch it. Let's switch sides.
On the line here, readying for the blitz.
Okay. Woo. Oh. I pressed X so many times.
As they stop it with 11 seconds remaining in this first half. So the offense has it 1st and 10.
They get ready for this. I think you already know what play I'm doing. I just want to see if Julio gonna catch it. Oh, no, what? Oh, my, Mariota suck. He got to get off my team. I got to get Vic back. I need Vic. I should have never sold him in the first place. Let's see.
They've come after him. They've sat back. I think that's what you need to do to keep an offense guessing.
What the playoff version?
That's why they haven't had much success on the scoreboard.
Oh,
going
all right.
deep here for Bryant. And unable to connect on the long pass. It falls down incomplete. Time for a break. We've hit halftime. 2 quarters down. 2 still remain. We step aside. This is the NFL.
If you get another touchdown, man, I got to stop you, man. I still want to come back.
Both teams
Oh, I
appear
did an
ready for the
ugly
fight
kick.
ahead
It's probably
of
going out of
Zoom
bounds.
action here in
Wow,
quarter
it
number
did.
3.
Oh my God.
And that drives coaches insane, doesn't it? When they see that happen, it just doesn't feel right, does it? Plus, you're giving up yardage.
Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, what the? What? I'm out. I'm out. Sorry, subscribers. I know you just saw that, so we took an L. You know what? You want to get your field goal. I'm gonna let you get this win. You won the game already, man. It's over, man. Good game, man. Good game. Oh my God. You know what? Let me try a kick return though. Still got one more chance. Good game. I think I got one more chance. Talk about.
Out to kick is Janikowski.
Come on. Come on.
This will be fielded at the 6.
Come on. No. All right. All right. Good game though, man.
So here's the
Good game, man. Okay, guys. That was my first Madden video. And my first Madden video, I win one, I lose one. But I'm not just losing one. I got blown out. The dude had a freaking 85 overall receiver, and he threw it deep and caught it. I'm done. I'm done with Madden. Maybe I'll play some Fortnite or Call of Duty tomorrow or something. But if you like this video, subscribe, comment down below, and I'm out, baby.